Freedom of speech. You can yell on the sidewalk. On the sidewalk. So you can't yell?
Hey, you can throw them in mine.
Do you guys really think this is going to stick? Do you want to waste your DA's time? I am a multi-millionaire. I promise you. I can take this as far as you want. Officer, you will be in a deposition and you will be arrested.
The call came in just before 11 a.m. on a warm June morning in 2026. Woodhaven police officers arrived at a local McDonald's to find a distressed man claiming he was being stalked by his own nephew, and it was all being broadcast live to millions of viewers. The nephew in question was Kenneth Chambers, better known online as Skeeter, a content creator with 2.5 million YouTube subscribers who specialized in confrontational exposure videos. Standing beside him was 25-year-old Jidon, another prominent YouTuber with his own massive following. For months, Skeeter had been uploading videos about his Uncle Joe, each one racking up millions of views. According to Skeeter, Joe had been financially exploiting their elderly grandmother for nearly a decade, refusing to leave her home despite repeated family pleas. The situation had apparently followed a pattern. Joe had previously done the same thing to his own grandmother, Skeeter's great-grandmother. Rather than handling the matter quietly through legal channels, Skeeter saw an opportunity. He would confront his uncle on camera, expose the alleged abuse to the world, and monetize the entire ordeal. When confrontation alone didn't work, Skeeter devised a new strategy. He moved Jidon directly into his grandmother's house, essentially trying to force Joe out through sheer presence. The plan worked. Joe eventually left the property and ended up at McDonald's, but the cameras kept rolling. Joe described being followed to the restaurant, filmed, and harassed by a growing entourage of YouTubers and their production crew. Inside the house, he claimed they'd set up speakers for parties specifically designed to upset him. The content creation had become relentless.
Okay, I don't understand all this, dude. Like, over nothing. Like, something so stupid over some, like, YouTube views.
Officers initially tried to de-escalate, convincing Joe to stay elsewhere temporarily. They even escorted him back to collect his belongings, hoping distance would solve the problem. It wouldn't be that simple. As officers transported Joe to the police station where a friend was supposed to pick him up, they noticed an orange sedan tailing them. The crew was still in pursuit.
This car's got a Tennessee plate. That's one of the cars.
Is it?
Yeah.
1212 dispatch, gonna copy a Tennessee plate. Zero 37 Boy Mary Victor Henry. Is that the car from earlier?
Yeah, that's
Tennessee
the one that was following me out.
Were they involved in all this?
When I was taking him to the station the first time, they're the ones that were following me.
Are you guys involved in all this stuff too?
We were earlier. We were staying at the house, and then we just pulled up in here to get a drink. We were out. We haven't been here the whole time. Like,
Yeah, we just pulled up.
yeah, we
just came back.
Okay, well if you guys are involved, I suggest you leave.
Okay,
And probably not.
We're trying to leave.
Well, you're gonna have to be stuck here for a little bit now, unless you can squeeze by that. But I suggest you don't get involved anymore. A freaking mess, dude. Over something stupid.
How many, why so many people? Just randoms?
YouTube followers. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you're gonna have to wait a few minutes. Yeah, they're involved. They're leaving. He said he was over there. He goes, we were there. We're just trying to leave now. Okay.
He's the one that followed me out, and then they were sitting at the light, and they pulled on the west, and were sitting there when I let Joe out.
I don't understand.
That's how they knew he was there, because they were watching.
Okay.
Shortly after Joe left the station for McDonald's again, Skeeter and Jidon arrived with a large group, demanding to speak with him. When told Joe wasn't there, Jidon threatened to file a missing persons report, claiming officers had him. 4 hours into the ordeal, officers returned to McDonald's to check on Joe. While he stepped out briefly, the restaurant manager revealed something troubling. Jidon and his film crew had returned multiple times, continuing to live stream despite being told they couldn't record on private property and being asked to leave.
I am very sorry about it. By any chance, is there anybody that works here that goes by the name of...
Yes, he is here. He hasn't left yet.
Okay, can I talk to him for a second? He's not in any trouble. I'm hoping he can help me out.
No, he was the one that called earlier.
Yeah, it's all about that. If I can
Yeah,
just
I
talk
know,
to him for a
because
second.
the boss said he was free to talk on the phone.
Perfect.
So, is there anything I can help you with, or just that you called?
Do you know his phone number?
not offhand.
Okay.
You know.
He called. He's the one that called us earlier.
Right.
Okay, that should be able to get it. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
because like I said, those people come all the time, except this time there was 2 new groups. Okay, and they always come in, they start using the video, and they say, and then they don't want to leave. And then they did come back later.
Yeah.
The bald-headed guy, the one that starts the first run of video.
Yep.
So he came in, and I said, "You can leave." He goes, "No, we don't have our cameras." I said, "That's fine." I said, "But you still need to go." And he goes, "Do you treat all customers like that?" I said, "Only the ones that have videos and phones." So he sat outside. So then Joe was in and out. So he said, "We are outside waiting for him." So I said, "You need to stay in." I said, "And then there won't be any confrontation." So they finally did leave, but they were
Yeah.
in and out.
Yeah.
Same with that other group, that Batman, whatever he was.
Yeah. They're at his house and
I know.
they're not doing anything illegal. It's just super annoying. They're trying to get him riled up so they get their YouTube views. We're just trying to find somewhere for Joe to go because they had access to the house. They're allowed to be there, and so is Joe, so we can't make somebody leave.
They have those shelters.
None really close to here. But he said that his buddy.
When the crew returned yet again, this time with an even larger group, officers had reached their limit.
McDonald's does not want you on the property. You guys have to leave. You're gonna be
Who's you guys? Can you be more specific?
You.
So they said
them,
these people?
Him. Yes. You guys cannot be on the property.
Hey,
Or they're gonna arrest you.
do you guys want some McDonald's? Y'all want to go inside real quick? Yeah.
Yep. You're gonna be arrested for trespassing if you go in there.
Bro, you don't have it, like no offense, officer, but like, do you genuinely have nothing better to do? Like,
Do you have anything better to do?
officer, you're actually like supposed to protect and serve.
Okay. All right, get off the property. You guys are gonna be arrested for trespassing.
Okay, we'll leave the property, but like, I'm just trying to figure out, do you have anything better to do? Because this is like a,
Yeah, they told you earlier that they don't want you guys on the property, so you guys gotta leave.
because you've been camping out there for like 20 minutes wasting taxpayer dollars.
I'm there for about 5. You guys need to leave. You guys are gonna be arrested for trespassing.
It's crazy how you don't arrest a squatter.
So you going too, Mitchell?
Alright, I guess.
Put your stuff down.
Special
You're in arrest.
Hey, Lucas, give me your keys.
Hey, I don't know. That's hilarious, bro.
Wait, can I hold you guys property? Can I hold you guys property?
Yeah.
Got anything on you?
Oh my god, I got my phone in my right pocket.
Just your phone?
Yeah, it's my phone.
Bring over this car right here.
Oh my god, it's so funny. Wait, so what have you done wrong?
Breach of peace.
Breach of peace?
Breach of peace, stalking, trespassing. Have a seat.
Yeah, I got you.
How you gonna trespass with
Local use security more units. I have people talking to you right now. Tell me my name.
This is bro. This is a violation of rights. Yeah.
12-8. Take 12.
This is a violation. You cannot arrest somebody that never went inside and was never
sir, if you
trespassing.
would.
Ma'am, they are arrested children that never went inside and was going. You guys see how fast that struck.
Okay.
Call the DA and see how fast.
Just taking these 3? Or you want to arrest him?
Jidon stood on the sidewalk, shouting and creating a disturbance while 2 crew members attempted to enter the restaurant with cameras rolling. Officers moved in to make arrests. Even in handcuffs, Jidon remained defiant, convinced the officers had just made a terrible mistake that would backfire spectacularly.
Disorderly. You're under arrest for being disorderly.
Freedom of speech. You can yell on the sidewalk. On the sidewalk. Yep. So you can't yell? Officer, how fast do you think this is going to get dropped? You really think this charge?
We have a breach of peace ordinance in this city.
You guys really think this is going to stick?
Sir, we have a breach of peace ordinance in this city.
I promise you, I can take this as far as you want. Officer, you will be in a deposition and you will be arrested. This is
Road. MSP is
officer. Yo, call Jake and have him get my lawyer. Call Jake and get my lawyer. Is this really the route you want to go, officer?
Yep.
Okay. Do you want to waste taxpayer dollars?
Yep.
Officer, can I ask you a question?
No.
Can I please?
Sit.
Do you really want to abuse me,
Sit.
officer?
Get your foot in.
I can't even fit in here.
Get your foot in.
Officer, I can't even fit in here.
Get your foot in.
How are you going to arrest somebody that never even went on the property?
You're under arrest for being disorderly, not for being on the property. Put your foot
Officer,
in.
I can't fit.
No, then you're
Officer,
going to sneak
I
over.
won't, officer, I won't run. I'm not going to do anything.
That's
Can you
good.
just take off the
Go that way.
Can you put them in the front at least?
No.
Officer, I can't scoop. You're trying to push me, but I can't scoop.
I've had bigger people in the
Officer, you're actually hurting me. Officer, please.
Turn sideways and scoop.
Officer, I can't move.
Let's go.
I'm too big.
Put your foot that way. Let's
Officer,
go.
I can't. I'm not trying to be. Here, I'm not resistant, officer. I promise
Let's go.
you. It is literally my body autonomy. I cannot move. Can you just put my handcuffs in the front?
No.
It'll make it so much easier.
Turn your body.
You have to turn and scoot that way.
Have you guys consulted with the DA?
We don't have a DA.
You don't have a district attorney?
No.
You have a state attorney. You
There's
can
no
go.
district attorneys down here.
What about state attorney?
Go. Put your feet in. Let's go.
Officer, I'm telling you, I can't move.
Scoot that way. There you go.
Officer, I can't move. Bro, you pushing me is not going to do anything. Bro, officer, you're actually hurting me.
Come on.
Officer,
Let's go.
I'm not. I can't
Scoot.
move.
Yes, you can. Scoot
Okay,
in
can I step out and then slide in?
Yeah, step out and slide in.
Bro. Slide inside. Yo, call Jake and get my lawyer. Officer, why you guys...
Where are your car keys at?
Right in my pocket, sir.
Pocket.
This one here.
Where's your car at?
It's the black one up there.
That Black Fusion?
Yes, sir.
We'll take lines for a Black Fusion.
You towing it?
Yep. Get out and get off the property now.
Yes, sir. I was not a part of this.
Then you better walk away quickly.
Yes, sir. I was just in the car. I'll leave. Hey, Dad, do you mind? Actually, no, I'll walk home.
That's it? Do all 3 stalking and breach of peace. Now I think everybody pretty much got off the property and left. This guy's over here filming, but yeah, there's probably about 30 other people. If you guys aren't getting food, get out.
No, we are.
You saying what?
We're just kind of confused. Yeah, I was just asking.
He's got some YouTube following. He's one of those guys that he goes on, tries to catch like predators on YouTube. So he's got this following of young kids that think it's super cool. And he's uncle. And it's his uncle is in there. How old are you?
We're not going to
Yep.
block you here on if you want to get back to your vehicle. Hey, just going to walk away.
Get off the property or you're going to jail too. Start walking.
Understood.
Start walking.
With the personal property?
They had it, it's their property. Start walking. Go. Yep, go. Start walking. Shouldn't have gave it to them. They're all still out there.
Yeah, I'm gonna hang out with him for a little bit. I don't know if I should. What about Skeeter? Where did he go?
I have no idea where he went. The ones that came up on the property after
Did you ticket him?
I think you got a ticket. I don't know. The ones that came up on the property and were causing disturbance on the property are the ones that went to jail. I don't even know honestly who we have. We got quite a few. So,
all right, thank you.
Yep. If they come back into
What about this black guy over here? He was at the house.
Well,
and the guy with the glasses.
Yeah, I got you. So
he was at the house.
The problem was that they were here, and the ones that were causing an issue here is who went with us right now. Because they could have been at the house. They're allowed at the house because someone that has authority at the house is at the house. So the ones that were causing an issue here that weren't supposed to be on the property. But if Skeeter comes back and he starts bugging you, call us and we'll take him too.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh.
Yep. Because they were told not to come on the property here. And they were on the property and they're causing a disturbance.
They're allowed to come on my property. Right.
Yeah, just unplug it, ignore them. That's what they want, is you just answer and get annoyed. They just want to make you mad, so if you just unplug it and they don't have the chance. Alright, so...
How many did you arrest?
I'm not sure, quite a few. I have 3 sets of handcuffs and he was all my handcuffs, so I don't know. You want to just hang
I apologize. Are you out on 75?
But I would... Yeah, I would... they're on public property, so we can't do anything about them hanging out there, so I would go hide back in there.
Some of the officers watching the scene unfold struggled to comprehend it all. Both the restaurant manager and Joe provided written statements.
Second?
Huh?
You got a second?
Yeah.
Okay. So I don't know if you just saw everything that went down over there. We ended up arresting 4 people for stalking. All right. My detective's asking if you fill out a written statement of today of what they've done to you.
Okay.
Are you able to do that for me?
Yeah.
I'd appreciate it. They've been following you around all day.
Yeah, and they drive around. They're driving around a U-Haul truck. I don't know. I think they're back at the house because I've seen them go that way.
Okay.
They set up the music equipment and speakers upstairs.
Yeah, I was there for that earlier today.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I don't know. They were stalking me.
As squad cars transported the arrested parties to the station, in the back of the police car, Jidon continued insisting he'd done nothing wrong, seemingly confident his online following would vindicate him.
1212 dispatch, I'll be transporting one Malin.
Copy.
And I'm guessing this is a misdemeanor?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what crime is yelling on the sidewalk? What does that do?
We'll discuss when we get in, alright? I'm not going to try to have a conversation between this.
Okay. Okay.
Between this barrier.
Constitutional rights violated. I didn't know Woodhaven like violating constitutional rights. Call my... Yeah. Give me a lawyer ASAP. Tell him to give me a lawyer ASAP. No, he's not going to let down the window. It's fine. Just stay right there. I don't want them to get you. They arrested me on breach of peace.
Can you
tell them to call Jake? Okay.
Okay, can you move so I can see? No, I just want to be able to see so I don't get into a crash.
JV, call Jake. Wait, record. Call Jake.
Well, I'm trying not to get into a crash, but I can't see because there's a bunch of people blocking my view.
So do you guys think these charges are going to stick? Do you genuinely think these charges are going to stick?
Sir, we'll have a conversation back here, okay?
Listen, man. Here, you seem like a nice guy. Was that guy who was doing all that, was he your boss?
Yeah, I'm the junior person, sir.
Yeah. Just let him know, hey, man. I want his qualified immunity.
I am the junior person here.
I want his qualified immunity.
1363.
I know my constitutional rights. I know my rights.
Here, if you want to get back to your vehicle.
Officer, how can someone be trespassed that never even went inside? What sense does that make? So you unlawfully arrested those other people, and then with me, I'm on the sidewalk, voicing my displeasure with this police department, and you guys, through retaliation, arrest me as well. Is there a body camera in here?
Yes, sir. It's on. It's recording right now.
Awesome. All this to protect. Hey, you know when I get out, we're just going right back to the house. You know that, right? So you guys aren't accomplishing anything. You're wasting taxpayer dollars. I'd appreciate if you get my glasses. I can't see without my glasses.
Yeah, where are they?
They fell in there.
Yeah, I'll grab them.
It was not on my bingo card to file a civil rights lawsuit.
Oh, I get it.
Here we are.
I get it. 1212 is at the station with one. Hold on 1 second.
What's good, my man? Don't worry, I'll pay for your bond. It's not gonna stick. It's all good.
You guys can just come up to this counter.
Get us with the best civil rights attorney.
Nope, right there's good for me. Stay right there for 1 second.
Here.
The charges came down quickly. Jidon faced misdemeanor stalking and breach of peace. 3 crew members were each charged with breach of peace. Jidon's bond was set at $10,000, which he promptly posted. The other 3 crew members also posted personal bonds. But the story didn't end there. While Jidon sat in jail, his and Skeeter's fan bases launched a coordinated attack on the Woodhaven Police Department. Hundreds of calls flooded dispatch, some reporting completely fabricated crimes, including a false homicide report. Others bombarded the department's Facebook page with messages. Upon release, Jidon started a Free Jidon campaign, claiming it would prove his innocence and expose what he characterized as officer bias in favor of Joe. Skeeter, meanwhile, continued his original mission, getting Joe out of his grandmother's house, cameras still rolling. The incident raises uncomfortable questions about the lengths content creators will go to for views, engagement, and revenue. Where's the line between holding someone accountable and harassment? When does documenting become stalking? And how far is too far when millions of viewers are watching? What do you think? Did the officers handle this situation correctly, or did Jidon and Skeeter have the right to film? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more breakdowns of cases where the camera captures everything. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload.